Hello, this session is intended for business owners. With these always on, always connected devices, the cloud is here. You must be using these for individual needs, but are wondering how to use it for your company and your main core operation. The BlackBerry was good for email, but with the advent of smartphones like iPhone and Android, and tablets like the iPad, your salespeople out in the field want access to historic data, customer data, order entry systems, inventory systems. They may want to file their expense reports in the field. So what do? Have them fill out paper and fax it in and have back office fill it up? That is so 20th century. Oh, by the way, that was 10 years ago. And you learn that the infrastructure is provided by brand names such as Google and Amazon, and that is going to be cheaper. So what do? This is mission critical data and systems you're talking about. Your company's core operations. Are you going to rely on a vendor to guide you? They are interested only in their own vertical niche. Or consultants. They cost a lot of money and they at some point leave the building. And are you going to throw out your historic data and historic systems? No way. So how do you harness the cloud? Here's a solution. Hire a certified cloud master. These are IT staff who have been trained in these technologies, in operations and architecture, who you can hire at reasonable salaries to manage your operation. Or hire a certified cloud guru. These are cloud masters who have been trained additionally in the other strategy steps and management guides, such as analyzing alternatives, computing total cost of ownership, deciding a phased approach, and dealing with vendors, large and small, large being Google and Amazon, small being IT consultants and vendors. They will help you figure out where you want to go and actually help you get there.